Hello friends. So we will see the next example from the functions. Okay. So here f is a mapping from n to n, and f of n is equals to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, and n by 2 if n is even. We have to check it whether it is 1 1 or on 2 or no. Okay. So now see here, to check the 1 1 function, as we are having the two conditions here, odd and even. So let us for odd we have the function is what. Okay, first I will check it for odd one. So that is f of n is equals to n plus 1 divided by 2. So for odd condition, we have the function is n plus 1 divided by 2. Now see here, n is what? Odd. So just go on putting odd numbers in this function. So what will get? See then. So first odd number is 1. So when I put n is 1, so what will get? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 by 2 will get 1. Okay. Next odd number is 3, means n is 3 we are putting. If I put it here, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Okay. Similarly, if I put another next odd number is 5. Next odd number is 5. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. Okay. Then and so on here and so on. Okay. And similarly, I'll take the second condition. If n is even, then we have the function is what? F of n is equals to n by 2. Right. Now here we have to put it which numbers now in the place of n? We have to put it even numbers. So I'll start with 2 then. Even numbers. Okay. Then f of 2 is equals to, if I put 2 here, 2 by 2 will get 1. Suppose if I put next even number is 4, then it will be 4 by 2 is 2. If I take next even number is 6, if I put it 6 by 2 is 3 again, and so on. So what you observed here, so when I put odd numbers in the odd function, means that for the function, when I put odd numbers, I am getting the answer is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here also in the even function also I am getting what? That is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. So what we observe here, RHS of the odd condition and RHS of the even condition both are same. So therefore I can equate any one part. See here, f of 1 is 1, f of 2 also 1. So when I equate this, if RHS is same, then we can equate their LHS. So therefore what? F of 1 is equals to f of 2. F of 1 is equals to f of 2. But here, to check one function, what the definition says, when f of x1 is equals to f of x2, it implies what? X1 is equals to x2, right? So therefore when f of 1 is equals to f of 2, it implies what? 1 is equals to 2, but which is not equal. Therefore what? F is not 1 1. F is not 1 1. Okay. Now to check the onto, it is very clear. Okay. So we have to use the second definition, that is range of f is equals to. Now what is the range of f here? Very simple it is. Why? Because see, for odd and even conditions, we already put the natural numbers and we found out what we are getting the answer. See, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here 1, 2, 3 and so on. Means what? These are what? Set of natural number. So range will be n. Okay. But what is your codomain? Codomain is also n. So n is equals to n, means range is equals to codomain. Therefore it is what? F is onto. F is onto. So this given function, okay, it is onto but not 1 1. It is onto but not 1 1. Okay. So this is the solution here. So let us take one more question. In the previous video also we have solved with some of the examples. I hope that you have practiced those. Okay. So let us take next example now. That is, f is from R to R and f of x is equals to 3x. F of x is equals to 3x. So in this question we have to show that it is 1 1 and onto. We have to show that this function is 1 1 and onto, we have to show it. Okay. See, whenever the question is like this, show that or prove that time it will be very easy for us, because we are having only the one way, right? We have to show on one, we have to show onto. There is no case of not onto or not 1 1. Okay. So here, let us take now. So to check the 1 1 function, we have to choose the two elements from the domain is R. Then f of x1 is equals to f of x2. But what is f of x? 3x. What is f of x1 then? 3x1, which is equals to f of x2 is 3x2. Then by left cancellation law, 3 get cancelled, so it implies what? x1 is equals to x2. So therefore here x1 is equals to x2. Therefore what? F is 1 1. F is 1 1. Now to check onto function, I will use that definition. Let y belongs to codomain. What is the codomain? R. Okay. Then what we have? Y is equals to f of x, or y is equals to 3x. Okay, I told you in the last example also. Now here am I having y is equals to 3x. Okay, there exists what? You have to simplify this result for x, and what you get the value of x, that x value should be present in the domain. So if I take x is equals to what, then this 3 will divide, so it is y by 3. Now this x value should be present in domain is what? R. I think it is present in R. Okay, see, anyhow they have said it, you have to show that it is onto, so obviously this x value should be present in R. If you say does not belongs to R, then it become a onto function? No. So therefore what if we got this value y by 3? Obviously it is belongs to R. Therefore f is onto. F is onto. So here n 1 1 and onto. Therefore this, when the function is 1 1 and onto, that function is called as bisective function. Okay, this is one example. So let us take one more question now. F is from n to n, and f of x is equals to 2x. F of x is equals to 2x. Okay, now here in this question, what this question says, show that this given function as 1 1 but not onto. 1 1 but not onto. Okay, we have to show that this function is 1 1 but not onto. So like again here take two elements, x1 x2 belongs to domain is n here. So therefore f of x1 is equals to f of x2. What is f of x? 2x. Then what is f of x1? 2x. 2x1. What is f of x2? 2x2. Again by left cancellation law, 2 get cancelled, we have x1 is equals to x2. Therefore what? F is 1 1. F is 1 1. So one part we have done it. What we have to show this function? It is 1 1 but not onto. So let us check for onto. For onto I will use the definition, range of f is equals to. So what is the range of f? Okay, how to calculate range of f? Whatever you have that f of x, in that x we have to put the numbers from the domain, and domain is set of natural numbers. Okay, so just go on putting the set of natural numbers here. If I put x is 1, so it becomes 2. If I put x is 2, 4, x is 3, 6, and so on. Okay, so whatever the range you got it, that range should be equals to codomain. Codomain is n here. But what is your range? 2, 4, 6. These are natural numbers. But which type of natural numbers? These are the set of even natural numbers. So you can't, it is a natural numbers, no doubt, but it is not the set of natural numbers. So therefore it is not equals to n. So f is not onto. F is not onto. Okay, so as per the question we have proved it. F is 1 1 but not onto. Okay, this is the example. Now one more example, but that example you have to take it for homework. Okay, function remains same, just I will change the mapping. F is from R to R and f of x is 2x. Then show that this function is 1 1 and onto. Show that this function is 1 1 and onto. Okay, that is the homework for you people. Okay. So these are some examples. We have done it from the based on the concepts of 1 1 and onto function. Okay, next we will have another definition. Again it is a, you can call as a type of a function only. That is what? Composition function. Composition function. Okay, so what is meant by composition function? See, composition means what? It is the combination of two functions. Combination of two functions. Okay, Now suppose here f is a mapping from x to y, f is a mapping from x to y, and g is a mapping from y to z. G is the mapping from y to z. So these are the two functions. These are the two functions. Okay. Or simply I will just show you. Okay. I will take here three sets. So this is your x. This is your x. This is your y. This is your z. So for f is a mapping from what? X to y. This is your f function. Okay. And g is a mapping from what? Y to z. This is your g. Okay, if this is your x, its image is present in this. Okay, so I think this will be, I think f of y, then this will be f of y. Then what about this then? So this will be, again it is f of g of z then. Okay, means f is a mapping from x to y, y is a mapping from, sorry, g is a mapping from y to z. Okay, then composition of this f and g, composition of f and g, it is denoted by g composition f. Composition of f and g is denoted by what? G composition f. And this g composition f is from what? X to z. Means what? This one, this is your g composition f. So that g composition f is x to z. Then how this composition is defined? Okay, how this composition is defined? See, if you not understood this part, let it be, but you have to remember that at least the mathematical definition of this. And what is that definition is? See here. So notation is what? G composition f of x is equals to, okay, I'll give the definition. So g composition f of x is equals to g of f of x, g of f of x. So this is the mathematical definition of what? Composition function. So we are going to simplify the examples based on just this simple definition. Okay, or similarly you may write like this also. If it is f for composition g of x, if you are taking, then what we can write? F of g of x, f of g of x. Okay, so whatever that element is there, that element you have to keep it. If it is y, then you have to keep f of g of y. Okay, so you have to remember this definition. So based on this definition, we have to simplify the problems on this. Okay, so pause the video to note it down.